Hi everyone, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to replace the sink strainer when it's leaking. In this case, as you can see, there's drops of forming right and leaking down. I also put this plastic cover on top of the wood to make sure it doesn't destroy it. So as you can see, this one is leaking and this one is dry. And all we need for this job is the key like this, plumber's putty, and sink strainer. Everything you can get in some big box stores like Lowe's. First we get this thing out. All right, then it loosen up. Hopefully you don't have to listen too much, but yeah, now we're gonna take this one out with the key. Yeah, when taking the top layer out, I would recommend you to use another key to hold like this. Maybe you can ask someone to hold it for you, or you hold it yourself, and then use the second key just to remove the stuff on top. That way, so it doesn't rotate altogether. Once you take it out, make sure that you clean this part a lot, because there's some old putty and from the top. Make sure you clean it up from the top, because you will have some putty left on this side. Right, this is very important because you don't want any old stuff in here. Make sure it's perfectly clean. Now as you open your sink strainer box, be careful. And when you open it, you don't want to mess with this white paper and the rubber, right? You don't want to break it at all, because that will cause issues later. So basically you want to just take this out, and there you go. Now you want to put the putty around this part, around this. There you go. You want to make, like, you know, some snake like this, right? So you can wrap around it. And just enough to wrap around it. I have a bit excessive here. But basically, you did this. You really want to push through it before you put it in, right? And then you basically want to put it in the top of there with the fitting. I'm gonna do that because I need to can hold the camera as I'm doing it. Basically, you get to this state where you gently press through it evenly. Make sure you don't have any like skinny areas, because your weakest link, is the whole link. It will leak. Make sure it's warm enough and you apply it pretty properly. And now you can put it on top over here and press on it a little bit. Right, once you put it back up, it should be flush like this. And then your putty will be extra here. You can take that out. Right, you don't need any of this. You can just throw it away. And then just do the water test. Put some hot water or cold water, and just make sure nothing leaks. Yeah, and again, I would recommend to put some plastic like this. They sell this on Amazon or Home Depot, where it would catch the water. Obviously clean it up. That way you can see if there's water collecting, and your cabinets will be fine. Alright, I hope you guys like this video. Please like and subscribe.